Good day everyone! Ako po muli si Rhea Jane Agaton Bersamin, an IMG Financial Educator. So how IMG business works? IMG is what we call the Total Financial Solutions. And for you to start your IMG business, ito yung first na gagawin. For new members, kailangan mag-login sa ating IMG portal. And for other members out there, we have to maximize our IMG portal because this is free and one of our membership benefits. And we have a lot more to explore for us to succeed in our IMG business. Okay, so first, let's go to Google browser. Type img-corp.com. So ayan, click natin yung login. So we have our agent code and password sent to our email. Kung hindi nyo na-receive yon, you may click here, click forget password, at mag-email sa inyo yan ng password. So login natin kung meron na tayong user ID, ito yung agent code, at meron na tayong password, click natin tong login. So for new members, make sure to click register as partner. So ito yung steps. The forwarding address is, for example, IMG Cebu or kung saan IMG kayo na belong. And then draw your signature, or you may also adopt. And then you click finish on the upper right. So follow nyo lang yung steps. So you may also add a profile picture just like mine. To upload your photo, just click this drop-down arrow and go to your profile. So ito yung ating dashboard. First, we have Soldivo Fund. So sa ating 5,500 pesos na IMG membership, meron tayong free 1,000 pesos na Soldivo Fund o mutual fund. So click nyo lang tong view portfolio para malaman kung ilang shares ang inabot ng 1,000 pesos na investment nyo. You can also add investment here. Depende sa inyo kung magkano at kailan kayo mag-add. Depende yan sa inyong financial goals. Then we also have this Fidelity Life. If you're not yet a member of this, you click here to pay for the 500 pesos para meron na tayong 50,000 worth of Fidelity Life Insurance. Ito yung ma-receive ng ating beneficiary. So optional lang to. In our case, nag-avail talaga kami nito. For the sake of presentation, ito yung new member natin na hindi pa member ng Fidelity Life. So pwedeng mag-add dito. So just pay 500 pesos to any IMG bank account, or you may also submit that to IMG office. Once you already have the policy, you may print, you may also download or save to your files. Then another benefit is the Everest Memorial Services free concierge service. So you may print this para meron tayong files. You can also claim our original ID. We also have free personal accident insurance for new members. 100,000 pesos yung coverage nito. And also if you are an associate to marketing director. Kapag SMDs and EMDs, we have 200,000 pesos na coverage and 300,000 pesos coverage for CEOs and ops. See, you may print, you may also download or save to your files. Then another benefit is itong IMG Vision Care. Meron tayong free frames sa De Los Reyes Optical at Sight for Eyes. Napakagandang benefit na ito. We always avail this every year. So 2 pairs per year yung free frames. So lens na lang po yung babayaran. So let's download this. Kung gusto nyong mag-avail, just click to download, or you may print also, or pwede din i-picture nyo lang yung card ng IMG Vision Care. And of course, we have Kaiser Medical Center Incorporated. Ito yung unlimited and free consultation natin sa mga Kaiser Medical Centers. And we also have discount for our laboratories. Included na din yung ating immediate families. So ito namang IMG Dominate tool, napakaganda nito na benefits. So we have a separate training for this. We can do also online training. Yan, online courses. Later, itour ko kayo sa ating Dominate tool. Here, for those who have Kaiser plans, ito yung long-term plan natin. We can view this OPMS, ma-redirect tayo sa ating Kaiser portal, at ma-access natin yung ating mga benefit card and policies. You can print the contract there, or you may also save that sa inyong files. Dito sa taas, meron tayong updates, mga events, guidelines. Then, dito naman sa reports, we can show our team here. So, under my team, yung mga IMG members nyo. At ito naman sa production report, yung mga clients nyo, like Kaiser, MB Life, and your commission statements. Weekly yung commissions dito, so you can view it weekly kung merong pumapasok. Para magkaroon ng commissions, kailangan may production. meron tayong clients. Under resources, we have members kit, partners kit. So, these are downloadable. So, pwede natin yung isave din sa ating files. So, ito yung laman ng ating members kits. Importante dito yung top 30 benefits ng IMG. And of course, yung ebook natin na available din sa ating Dominate. And ito naman yung laman ng ating partners kit. So, pwede nating i-download and save sa files. Importante dito yung pre-computed book. Yung 7-year plan, meron din tayong spot cash. Or yung 3-in-1, yung may life insurance, investment, and long-term healthcare. We can now screenshot the age of the client and send it to them. And we also have these tools para kung may i-transact tayo online, dito lang tayo papasok. And available din to sa baba. Merong mga icons. So for example, itong e-app, ito yung gagamitin natin kung may i-transact tayo na Kaiser clients o Manila Bankers Life na clients. So dito tayo papasok. So take note, dapat yung i-transact natin dito is client nyo. Otherwise, kung kukuha pa kayo ng own Kaiser plan nyo, dun kayo sa yung agent. Dahil sila yung mag-transact ng Kaiser nyo. So for example, meron tayong i-process na client. So login lang tayo sa ating e-app. Itong may proposals kung may existing clients na kayo. So if bago, so click natin yung new proposal. For example, meron tayong i-transact na Kaiser client. Click natin tong Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. Ito yung 7-year plan and fill up lang natin yung data. May co-agent kung meron tayong trainer or kung wala naman, just leave it blank. Ito namang OPMS, ito yung online access natin sa ating own Kaiser Healthcare Plan. Ma-redirect tayo dun sa Kaiser website. So enter lang natin, we can view all our benefits and print or save to file. Itong e-join is kung meron tayong i-transact na membership or IMG member. So just click this and fill up the needed data. And make sure na tama yung agent code. For example, hindi tama yung naka-default na agent code. You may change the agent. So ito, for example, i-change ko to sa agent code ko and click submit. Now, kung tama na yung agent or sponsor, click na natin tong link for the 5,500 joining fee. So ayan, fill up lang natin yung needed data. Make sure tama yung details and the sponsor will appear here. Then you will upload the proof of payment para ma-process yung member natin. Itong IMG kiosk, gagamitin lang to kapag mag-transact tayo ng ating activities sa IMG offices. So, ito namang IMG kiosk 2, ito yung gagamitin natin kapag meron tayong online transactions. So, like for example, we have application for membership, pwede tayo mag-process dito. Pwede din dito sa e-join, yung kanina. Sa accreditation renewal natin, enter lang yung agent code and applicable year. Then sa Kaiser Ultimate, pwede din tayo dito mag-transact ng ating Kaiser clients, yung long term. Pwede din dun sa e-app, yung kanina. So sa Kaiser Senior Care, so dito tayo papasok. Then we have Kaiser Sub-Base, meaning po subsequent payments. Ito na yung with approved policy already. So kung kailangan i-reinstate kasi nag-lapse yung plan, so ito yung gagamitin, reinstatement. And then we also have amendment like i-amend natin yung Kaiser plan from monthly to annual mode or semi-annual to annual mode. At iba pang mga amendments. So, you may check po my other video regarding on how to use this. Meron din tayong mga MB Life subsequent payments. Then, for other payments, pwede din dito tayo mag-add ng ating IMG Soldivo Fund. Pwede din doon sa ating dashboard. So, sa Fidelity Life, yung 500 pesos, pwede din dito, pwede din doon sa dashboard. So, sa IMG events, conventions, so dito natin i-transact if we want to join the conventions and events. And meron din tayong IMG ID. Pwede natin i-claim yung original ID natin. And IMG shares and other items. So, dito tayo papasok. Then, for my trade, ito yung sa stock trading or direct stocks. So, you may check my video po on how to use this. There's a separate training for this also. And for Dominate, another separate training, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na balikan natin. Kasi napakaganda ng ating Dominate. Click natin to log in. So, meron tayong start building a funnel. So, ito yung mga marketing natin. Gamitin natin pang advertise sa ating clients. And we also have email blasts, yung mga autoresponders. So, we have separate trainings for this. And pwede natin i-boost post para makarating sa ating mga cold and warm markets. Here are the affiliate links. Share this to your clients, no? We have offer page. Once they click on this link, ma-redirect sila sa iyong IMG link, and should they click join, automatic under sila sa iyong team. So we also have Kaiser code. You send this to your clients. Once they fill up the form, kayo po yung automatic agent for their Kaiser plan. Okay? So by the way, we need also to register as part of the 30 million financially literate in 2030. So ito yung mission natin, to educate 30 million Filipinos in 2030. So enter lang natin yung data, and you are entitled for a one raffle entry during conventions and events. Okay, so explore this portal. This is a very great help. A lot of opportunities out there. Kailangan natin i-maximize lang to, pag-aralan natin. And again, a brief review. Here are the reports. Ito yung team, yung mga IMG members natin. Then under production, yung mga clients natin. The sources of our commissions. Every week mag-commission yung IMG. Here are the tools for our activities or transactions. Yun lang. Kindly explore this portal. It's very nice. It's free. And I hope you learn from this video. Thank you po and God bless. Bye-bye.